Welcome back to Let's Explore the Space, the place where we travel beyond imagination and into the unknown corners of the cosmos. Today we're diving into a mind-bending question. What if life had evolved on Mars instead of Earth? Grab your space helmets. This journey is about to get wild. Let's rewind about 4.5 billion years ago, when both Earth and Mars were young, fiery planets forming from space dust. Back then, Mars was much warmer, wetter, and possibly more hospitable than it is today. It had rivers, lakes, and maybe even oceans. So, what if Mars, not Earth, became the cradle of life? Imagine the first microbial life evolving in Martian lakes. Feeding on minerals and sunlight over millions of years, evolution kicks in. Species adapt to colder temperatures, thinner atmosphere, and intense radiation. Martian plants, if they ever existed, could be red or purple, absorbing maximum energy from a faint sun. Animals? They might be low to the ground, tough-skinned, maybe even living underground, a world built in the shadows of survival. Now fast forward a few billion years. What if intelligent life actually emerged on Mars? Imagine advanced Martian societies, living in underground cities, developing radiation-proof tech, and looking up at the sky, wondering about that distant blue dot, Earth. Picture this. A Martian spacecraft lands on Earth, not the other way around. They find forests, oceans, and strange animals. And maybe, just maybe, they seed life here, starting the idea of panspermia, the theory that life spreads between planets. Could we actually be descendants of Martians? In this alternate reality, Earth becomes the second home. Martians colonize it, building cities in the Himalayas, dome settlements in the Amazon, and underwater bases in the oceans. Earth becomes their green paradise, a rare gem among the stars. But with expansion comes questions. Just like we debate space colonization today, Martians might have asked, should we terraform Earth? What about Earth's native life? Is it ethical to claim another world just because we can? This story raises deeper questions. Would Martians have developed religions, philosophies, and cultures like we did? Would they cherish planets or exploit them like resources? And most importantly, would they look to the stars with wonder or ownership? Today, Mars is cold, dry, and silent. But maybe, just maybe, it once held the spark of life. And if it did, or could have, it reminds us how precious life is wherever it blooms. But what if there's more than just one version of this story? Enter the multiverse theory. The idea that our universe is just one of countless others. In one, Earth is the birthplace of life, like our own. In another, Mars thrives while Earth remains barren. And in yet another, both evolve life, side by side, sparking friendship or war. Imagine infinite versions of reality, each with a unique past, a unique future. So the question isn't just what if life evolved on Mars instead of Earth. The bigger question is, what if it already did in another universe? Somewhere in the vast multiverse, a Martian may be looking up at a star called Sol and wondering if someone like you is doing the same. We would be posting more detailed videos on this topic. So please subscribe and press that bell icon to get the notification on latest video. Thanks for joining on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this episode of Let's Explore the Space, like, share, and subscribe for more mind-expanding adventures. Drop your thoughts below. Do you believe in the multiverse? And which version of life would you choose to live in? Until next time, stay curious, stay cosmic.